Welcome to our Meditation for Beginners video. Meditation has been around for thousands of years, originally meant to help deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life. These days, meditation is most often used to relax and lower stress. In today's fast-paced world, the potential long-term consequences of persistent stress and trauma are particularly serious, especially for Generation Z. One 2020 survey shows that Gen Z teens, ages 13 to 17, and Gen Z adults, ages 18 to 23, are facing unprecedented uncertainty, elevated stress, and are already reporting symptoms of depression. Psychologists have found that mindfulness meditation changes our brain and biology in positive ways, improving both mental and physical health, according to the American Psychological Association. Meditation is not just for the yogis and gurus, it's a powerful tool for everyone, and it's never too late to begin. In today's fast-paced world, taking a moment to meditate can bring a sense of calm and clarity to our hectic lives. Let's address the elephant in the room, the misconceptions and challenges that often deter beginners from starting their meditation practice. You don't need to sit cross-legged for hours or silence your mind completely. It's all about finding what works for you. So, how can you start your meditation journey? Today we will begin with simple techniques like focused breathing, a body scan, and how to accept that your mind will wander, and to bring your attention back to center without judgment. These practices can easily be integrated into your daily routine, whether it's during your morning coffee or before bedtime. I want to share a personal story with you. After a particularly difficult time in my life, I made the commitment to meditate twice a day. First thing in the morning before doing anything else, I spend 5 minutes focusing on my breath and setting my intentions for the day, and before I go to bed, I will meditate for 20 minutes to an hour, depending on what else is going on that day, focusing on different things, manifesting, gratitude, possibly a thought or wisdom card. I now notice on the days where I do not begin with my 5 minutes in the morning, I am less centered, and my day isn't as positive. I don't necessarily achieve as much or feel as good, and I sleep far better at night if I end my day with meditation. So, let's begin. Find yourself a comfortable place where you can be completely relaxed. It does not have to be on the floor in the lotus pose. I mean, if you want to, you can. But honestly, sit in a chair with your feet on the ground, not cross-legged, shoulders down, head relaxed and hands resting on your thighs. You can lay down if you wish, on your back with your legs straight and arms resting straight beside you. Close your eyes. Take a few moments to breathe normally and just notice your breath as it flows, in and out. Notice the sensation on your nostrils, your upper lip. Notice the way your body moves as your lungs fill and release the air. Take a deep breath in, through your nose as far as you can, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breathe for the count of 2, and then gently release the breath through your mouth with a sigh. Repeat this twice more. This time, try and fill not only your lungs but your belly. Feel it expand with the breath in and contract as you let the breath out. Take a moment to set your intention for this meditation, or for the rest of your day. I will relax and be calm for this meditation. Today will be calm and peaceful and full of love. I am grateful for the time I spent nourishing myself. Now we will do a scan of your body. Bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Imagine as you breathe in that you are sending the air to the soles of your feet. Feel them tingle when the oxygen arrives. Breathe out gently through your mouth. Now focus your breath into the tops of your feet and your ankles, feeling the air spreading through them and out. The next breath will be sent to your calves. Feel the air flowing through them, spreading nourishment, and out. Your knees are next. Allow the air to caress your knees, noticing any tension or pain and allowing the air to flow over it. And out next, send a loving breath to your thighs. Imagine them completely relaxing into the surface beneath you. Breathe a deep breath into your buttocks and pelvis, spreading out and relaxing all the muscles. Imagine the next 2 breaths flowing down your spine, releasing all the tension. Thank your spine for all the hard work it does holding you up and supporting you every day. Give it the gift of complete relaxation. Now we move to your belly. Feel the breath fully expanding your belly again, Notice how it rises and fills, then release the air gently. The next breath, focus on the air filling your lungs and moving your diaphragm. Feel the healing air moving through you, giving you life. Move your attention now to your fingertips. Feel them tingle as the air flows down your arms and into your hands and fingers. Feel the warm air relaxing your arms. Your shoulders, they hold so much of our stress and tension. Focus on your shoulders. Notice any tension or pain. Send your breath filled with love and healing energy into your shoulders. Allow them to relax deeper, deeper. Then your neck, which like your shoulders holds so much of your stress. Relax your neck, lean back, and allow the surface behind you to support your head and take the burden off your neck for a while. Flow the next breath around your face, your left cheek, your chin, your right cheek, forehead, nose, focus and breath, and relax your face muscles. Now your ears and your scalp, feel the sensation of air inside and outside on your scalp. Relax, and finally the brain. Breathe in and quiet your mind for a moment. Think only of the air flowing up from your lungs into your mind, relaxing and still, out and in and out and in. Focus only on your breathing. If other thoughts enter your mind, that's okay. Just let them drift on and bring your attention back to your breathing, in and out. Now it is time to slowly bring yourself back to the present. Breathe in and slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Shake your hands and stretch your legs. Tense every muscle in your body for a few moments. Hold tight as you can, and let go. Breathe deeply in and out and gently open your eyes. Take as long as you need to just sit and become fully present again, then go out and have a fabulous, peaceful day. If you start to feel stress or upset entering your peaceful space, you can do the tense and relax anywhere and anytime, and it will help bring your body back to a state of relaxation. Do that and take 5 deep breaths, counting to 5 in and out, and you will be more centered and ready to tackle whatever has upset you with a calmer presence. As we wrap up, remember that meditation is accessible to everyone, including you, dear beginner. It has the potential to cultivate inner peace and mindfulness in your life. Take this journey one breath at a time, and you'll be amazed at the transformation it can bring. If you found this meditation session helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and techniques. Share your own experiences with meditation in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community on this Zen journey together. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay grounded and peaceful. Namaste.